masagana at mayamang buhay sa upcoming year 2025. Mga kababayan at mga channel viewers ng Health, Wealth, and Life Basics, ang 2025 na New Year ay mag-i-start ng January 29, 2025, which is represented by a wood snake. Yan po ang element. There is no exact science or no scientific proof na ang mga personalities dito ay scientifically validated or confirmed using, of course, psychology, psychiatry, and other social sciences na subject. Kaya walang exact science po. That's why it is called forecast. Just like weather forecast ng bagyo or La Nina, La Nino, it may or may not happen. Kaya forecast nga. Diba? But as I researched, ito po yung mga findings ko. Ang Chinese astrology started during the Zhang-Guo period, 15th century before Christ or before Christian era. Officially, this was identified during the 206 BC to 9 Anno Domini sa Han Dynasty, over 2,000 years ago. So, matagal na po siya bago pa si Jesus Christ ay isinilang. It is represented by 12 animals reflecting the 12-year cycle of the Chinese calendar. This is Chinese culture being used to develop the personality trait or to characterize the animal being represented by that 1-year cycle. Ang difference po sa Chinese astrology kaysa sa Western astrology is that ang Chinese astrology po ay by year. Ibig sabihin, for like if you are born 1964 as a year of the dragon, lahat ng personalidad or characteristic ng mga taong nabuhay ng 1964 as a year of the dragon or wood dragon ay paro-pareho. Pero pagdating po sa Western astrology, ang characteristics naman ay dinivide into 12 months and hindi rin exact, like for example January 1 to 31, pero parang hinahati siya, meaning from December 22 to January, let us say 22, they are under Capricorn. So parang example ko lang yon, not exactly the same. So what I'm trying to say is that while the Chinese astrology is believing in the characteristics per year or annually, ang Western astrology ay they also believe naman that yung mga born sa, let us say, Capricorn or Aquarius ay paro-pareho ang traits per month. Okay. So ano po ba ang forecast sa ating 2025 sa Chinese astrology? Ayan. Sa Year of the Rats, these are people born in 1960, 1972, 1984, 1996, 2008, 2020. So I would like to remind you again para makita talaga kung ikaw ay born ng January and February, kasi naglilipat-lipat po ang Chinese New Year ng Chinese astrology. Hanapin niyo po. For example, ang birthday mo is January 1, 2021. or yan, or January 1, 1964, hindi ka po dragon, kundi ikaw yata ay snake. Parang ganon. So, put there in the Google search kung ano ang astrological sign mo, not only sa Chinese but Western culture na belief. So, for the rat, in 2025, ang unique ideas ni rat will boost his career and dapat i-strengthen niya ang relationship with friends and family. Kasi ito po ang magbibigay ng good luck kay rat. Sa year of the ox naman, ito po yung na-born ng 1961, 1973, 1985, 1997, 2009, 2021. Steady and successful sila sa 2025. As we know, dahil ang mga ox ay hard worker and ox have right sense of responsibility. They will have a peaceful relationship with others in 2025. Ang tiger naman, ang forecast ng tiger, these are the people born in 1962, 1974, 1986, 1991, 2010, 2022. Ang 2025 po has challenges for year of the tiger people. So, para po kayo ay hindi maligalig ng inyong mga challenges, stay calm, stay positive, and focus on self-love to overcome challenges. Balikan niyo po yung aking playlist, nandoon po yung rich mindset at saka sikreto ng mayayamang tao, plus yung aking Feng Shui tips kung paano mo i-arrange ang gate mo, ang door mo, ang higaan, kitchen, living room, toilet, para ma-cure ang inyong mga challenges for this year. Okay? Ang year of the rabbit naman. So, these are the people born in 1963, 1975, 1987, 1999, 2011, 2023. Ang breakthrough po, dahil sa hard work mo and wise spending, will bring financial stability sa mga rabbit people. Ayan. Kaya meron po akong rabbit dito, oh. Ayan. Yan ang rabbit na symbol. Alright. Sa year of the dragon, these are the people born in 1964, 1976, 1988, 2000, 2012, 2024. Maganda po ang nakikita ng mga forecaster sa Feng Shui sa 2025 for people born in the year of the dragon. And you need to have a full positive environment. Meron po kayong success, financial stability, and this is a year of balance and fulfillment. And you need to focus on family responsibilities in order for you to get this positive and successful forecast. Sa year of the snake, these are born in 1965, 1977, 1989, 2001, 2013. Ang challenges ay nasa career and finances ni snake. Huwag masyadong mag-spend. Focus on your health and stay positive kasi pag masyado kang negatibo, kahit anong year naman yan, talagang ikaw ay maraming masamang mararamdaman. Because if we have negative thoughts, ay nako, babalik po yun sa ating katawan. So, the next is year of the horse. These are people born in 1966, 1978, 1990, 2002, 2014. You will be a star. Wow! So maganda po ang forecast ng horse, especially in their career. As I told you in my earlier video. If you haven't seen it yet, balikan nyo po yun. You will be good in career and relationship. You are a big win for 2025 for the people born in the year of the horse. Sa goat naman, 1967, 1979, 1991, 2003, 2015. This is a bright year for the year of the goat. You will attract wealth, recognition, and you will thrive in your career. For the monkey, 1968, 1980, 1992, 2004, 2016. This is a solid year for you as you flex and adapt to situations. Kailangan po maging flexible lang si monkey para he will reap success for 2025. People around you will support you, monkey. So, sa rooster, ito yung mga manok. 1969, 1981, 1993, 2005, 2017. This is a great year for career progress and financial gains. Year of the rooster people, you are on top of everything, both in money and love. Sa year of the dog, 1970, 1982, 1994, 2006, 2018, steady and rewarding year for the dog, stress-free for the year 2025. Sa year of the pig naman, they are born in 1971, 1983, 1995, 2007, 2018. Challenges in relationship is forecasted and then find solution to existing problems. Salamat at hindi pa rin nyo in-stop ang pakikinig. Ang susunod kong forecast ay using the Western horoscope. I will again say these are the forecast, not mine, but when you Google search this, ito po yung mga sinasabi ng forecast for those signs. Thank you for listening, and your subscription will entitle you to a prompt on your wall each time that I upload. And again, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Salamat po sa 4 na buwan na kayo ay nagfa-follow sa akin. I just started this last week of August 2024 and we are growing. Hindi naman napaka-significant kasi wala akong mga pakulo, but I refrain from making comments na wala namang bearing. Bye, and may you have a prosperous new year. Maging positive po tayo. Sana makinig kayo sa Rich Mind na aking playlist at saka yung sikreto ng mayayamang tao with all the feng shui tips that I have in my playlist. Magandang buhay sa ating lahat.